Well, I've determined I don't know how to make a ramp. Sounds easy, right? But what I want to do is I want to use up the scraps that I have just laying around. So let's figure it out. Got the casters on, and this thing, it moves like a dream. The casters, they're working great. Problem is it's a little high. So went online and I found a guy, a forum or something, and this guy had a pipe. So you know he's a smart guy because he's got a pipe. And the rule of thumb apparently is the height of your elbow should be the center of your spindle. Okay, so the height of my elbow is about 46.5 inches, and this thing's right about 47.5. So it's got some adjustment down here on the legs. I'm gonna drop it about an inch. Well, I'm gonna drop it whatever the next set of holes is and go from there. I tried grabbing a tool and just seeing how it would work, and I'm gonna be way up like this if I leave it here. So if I drop it down, I think that's gonna be a lot more comfortable. Okay, so I got it on the caster so I could move it outside and work on it, because obviously, I mean, I got no room here. But there's a problem. Or should I say there's another project before I can get to that, and that is I actually need a ramp to get it off this raised platform down to the asphalt. So let me show you what that is. Look how smooth this moves. Now, all four casters lock, but it'll be interesting to see how it turns on casters, even though they lock. The good thing is I'm new, so I don't know any better. So let me show you what the problem is. Okay, so this is my shop here, and this is the walkway coming out of my shop. And I don't know how much the sun's going to blow out and how much you're going to be able to see, but I'll turn around. But you come here, there's one step, there's a little step, and then there's uneven pavement. So from this angle, this is what that whole mess looks like. So what I have to do is I got to build me a ramp. See if I can take it over to the side here. That just makes it worse. There's the shadows and everything. So anyway, I got to build myself a little ramp to go from, I totally screwed that up, but to go from up here to down here. Not a big deal, but it's next on the list.
So cool. It is amazing.
Mommy, that's your house.
Are you showing that one?
Yeah.
Yay!
I go here. Want Daddy to open? Today we will
Okay, I think I've got a game plan. I cut these into 3-foot lengths, and then I just went from one corner to the other corner. That'll give me 2 pieces. I'll cut another piece, we'll do the same thing, that'll give me 4. I'll put some cross braces in, then I'll skin it with plywood. What could go wrong? Well, here you go. It's done. And I painted it with some paint I had left over from doing the house. See, it'll match. And then I had some of this stuff called Tread Tex. And let's get it out here in the sun so you really won't be able to see it. Anyway, I had this left over from when I did the house, so I put it on there. My dog, I got a 15-year-old lab, 14-year-old lab, I don't know, I got an old lab. Matter of fact, there she is, right there. She walked up on it when it wasn't painted and slipped a little bit, so I put the grip stuff on there. Okay, let me get it in place and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it installed. And it's installed. Is it perfect? No. Did I make progress? Yes, I did. And it's fully functional.